This is how to make a paracord bracelet with the Cobra stitch using two colors. First you have to join two colors together, so I did a little mini video on that, so watch that if you didn't see it. Okay, I'm going to use a bracelet for this one. So you want to put your joint down a little ways. You would need about 8 feet of cord, so 4 feet each of your two different colors. Less if you want to make a shorter bracelet. Okay, so you loop it over and knot it. It's like you would any lanyard or tying to a ring or something. Okay. So then when you knot, it's going to go right over this and it'll be underneath. Okay. So you've got your hump side up, so you want to keep the cord flat. So you get your hump side up again. Stick that through your other buckle. So you've got both your hump sides up. Go down 6 or so inches. And loop it and pinch it there. You can go around your wrist and measure to make sure that's big enough if you want. I know that's about right for me. And you want to keep this tight. I use some elastic and some clamps here. Okay, and then you do your Cobra stitch, which you should know how to do now, if you haven't seen a video on that yet. You just loop one side over and across the top, and then the other side goes over, under, and through that loop. The next time you'll do it on the opposite side, so the knot's here, so you're going to loop that, go over, under, through the back. Just keep doing that same thing, loop it over, under, and through the back. And when you go over the joint, make sure you get it nice and tight. Keep that joint held together, and it kind of hides it too. Then come right up to the knot at the end, our first initial knot, making it nice and tight. Cut off your loose ends. Burn them and flatten them. There you go. That's simple. That's about a small to medium size one. Might fit me, I'm pretty small, but this I kind of made it for a kid size. So.